Friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to unpair ptron smartwatch audio from Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here just check this one, okay, call app of the ptron smartwatch. Okay, let's check the call app. So wait for a few minutes, I'll just show you. Okay, here just move on call left. Here it has been activated, and if you want to remove this one, just move on setting. And now right now click on this Bluetooth and devices. After you have been moved on it, just turn on this Bluetooth. After you have been turned on, just click on the middle of the Bluetooth. When you click on it, here's the ptron audio. It has been connected. And if you want to unpair this device, just click on setting. After you have been moved on setting, just click on this forget or disconnect. You can disconnect or forget, okay, but forget is the best option, I think so, if you want to disconnect truly. So here the ptron audio has been disconnected. You can check it here. It's disabled right now, the call option, because the audio has been disconnected. Okay, so friends, I hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.